Hello guys, here we will learn what is GitHub and how to use it and how to register, sign up and sign in. So let's start. First we will learn what is GitHub. Actually GitHub is a repository hosting service. It provides a service host to host the Git repository. Then what is Git? Git is a version control. You can see Git is a version control system for tracking changes in source code during the software development, right? So it is a tool which is used to control versions. Okay, so we can see here why GitHub, why we need to use GitHub. So because we can store our projects or programs as a public repository, right? If you we want to store as a private, so we need to pay. So what is there any another option? Is there any another option to without paying we can upload or store our projects on online? So yeah, there is a option Bitbucket. It's similar to GitHub, but they provide private repository as a free, but there will be public. If you want public it, so there you have to pay for it. So let's see, we will learn. Type github.com. This is the official site of GitHub. So this is the first how it look like on GitHub. So you can see first you need to sign up if you don't have any accounts. Here type your username. See, it's giving an error warning user name Gautam Kumar is not available, means it is already used by someone, means it should be unique. So keep it unique. Enter your email. Uh, See, after typing password, it's giving warning here in red. Read it, make sure it's at least 15 character, at least 8 or at least 8 character, including a number and a lowercase letter. So means we need to at least keep one or two letter capital and number and you know or it should be 8 character at least, and you need to enter some lowercase also. So you can, and after clicking sign up for GitHub, you will be like registered for the GitHub login. So I have already account, so I won't click on here. So I will go to the sign in directly. So here you can see you need to enter your username or email address. You can enter what you have registered for GitHub and password, then sign in. So this is the first page we get of GitHub. We can see what is this repositories. So we can create our repositories, GitHub repository, where we can store our projects. So after clicking new, I will explain about it, how to create repository and how to pull our projects to GitHub account in next video. So let's see our profile. We can edit our profile from here, your profile. uh, See, I have already uploaded my profile picture, so you can upload by clicking edit here and upload a photo. So you can upload from anywhere, your desktop, where your photo is there, and you can select and open your photo, and it will get edited. So I don't want to edit it. you can keep your name here, whatever your name is, and you can public your email, so it will be appear in your profile to everyone, and you can write about yourself bio, like something, and you can provide here URL to your GitHub account, like if you have LinkedIn account or if you are a YouTuber, so you can give some URL, then it will appear to someone who will watch your profile. So, and you can write your company name if you are organizer of any company, so you can put here, there is option, and you can give a location also, so it will, and after clicking on the update profile, your profile will be get updated. So there are so many things, so it's enough for as a beginner uh, to know. So please guys, like and subscribe to my channel for the next videos and more about GitHub and all that technologies I upload here. So thank you so much.